Hi and welcome to my new video and my channel. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Today on how to set the time and date, we have the Casio AQ-S810W. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button until you hear the beep. And there it is. Now, first in a row of settings is setting our time zone or our city code. To shuffle between your time zones or city codes or home cities, press the light or search button. So my time zone is Paris time zone, so I'm gonna press, in this case, light button until I shuffle until I get to the light Paris time zone, and there it is. So using this button and this button, you shuffle up or down until you get to your time zone. Once you're done with that, simply press the mode button, and now we are in the position of setting our daylight saving time mode. And as you can see, it's blinking over here. DST is turned off. And in my time zone, the DST is turned off, so it is correct. But to shuffle it on or off, you can press the search button and it will shuffle between DST on or off. Once you're done, press the mode button once again. And now we are in the position of setting our time format. So we are in the 24-hour time format, but pressing the search button, we can shuffle it to a 12-hour time format. So pressing the search button, you shuffle between 24 and 12-hour time format. Once you're done with that, press the mode button, and we are in the position of setting our seconds value. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value to 0 simply by pressing the search button. Once you're done with seconds, press the mode button, and now you are in the position of setting your hour value. And as you can see, it's currently blinking 13 o'clock. Now, to adjust my hour value, move it up or down, I'm gonna press the light or search button. So let's go. It's 21 o'clock in my time zone, and I'm gonna press the, in this case, a light button until I get it to 21 o'clock. And there it is. Now press the mode button, and we move on to setting the minutes value. As you can see, number 7 is flashing, and in my time zone it is 21 o'clock and 8 minutes, so I'm not gonna move that. But if you want to move it up or down, you can simply press the light or search button, and the the minutes value will move up or down until you get it to the minutes value that you want. Once you're done with that, press the mode button, and now the watch is in the position of setting your year value. And as you can see, it's blinking 2011, but currently we are now in 2022, and I'm gonna press the light or search button. In this case, it is the search button until I get it to 2022. Once we have set our year value, I'm gonna press the mode button over here, and we are in the position of setting our month value. And as you can see, it's set to March, and it's correct. So today is March, but I can shuffle that value up or down by pressing the light or search button. Once you have set your month value, again press the mode button, and we are in the position of setting your day value. To move your day value up or down, again press the light or search button. Today is the March the 2nd, but I can move it up or down by pressing the light button or search button. Here we go. So I'm gonna leave it at March the 2nd. We have set our day value. Next up, press the mode button once again, and we are in the position of setting our button operation tone. What is button operation tone? Well, simply put, when you press your keys, the watch will beep, so it will indicate that you have pressed your buttons. To shuffle it between on or mute, simply press the search button and you will shuffle it between on or off. So when it stands key, it indicates that it's on. When it says mute, it's muted. I'm gonna leave it at button operation tone on or key on this display. Next up, press the mode button. And we are in the position of setting our illumination duration. Now there are two options. As you can see, currently it's blinking LT1, but pressing the search button, it will shuffle between 3 and 1. 1 stands for 1.5 seconds illumination of screen when I press the light button, and number 3 as LT3 stands that the watch face will stay lit on when I press the light button for 3 seconds. So pressing the search button, you are shuffling between illumination duration of 1.5 seconds and illumination duration of 3 seconds. I'm gonna leave it at 1 second. Once you're done with that, press the mode button and we are in the position of setting our language. To shuffle between the language value, you press the search button, and as you can see, it's shuffling between English, Portuguese, Spanish, French, German, Italian, and again in English. Now I'm done with setting my language. Let's say I want to leave it at English. I'm gonna press the mode button, and as you can see, we are back to the beginning and setting our city code, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date, and now to implement all of those settings we have just ran through, I'm gonna simply press the adjust button and the watch will implement those settings. And as you can see, the analog time is corresponding to the digital time on this sub dial. But if your analog time and digital time do not correspond, that means that your hands are out of the alignment. Basically, when that is the case, the analog time does not correspond to the digital time. In that case, to adjust your hour and hand positions, you have to be in the standard timekeeping mode, and whilst there, again press and hold the adjust button until age set appears on this digital display. When it appears, I'm gonna release the adjust button. So let's go. Press and hold. Holding it. And now release it. And as you can, saw it, when the age set appeared, I just released the adjust button, and now my hands are aligning exactly at 12 o'clock. This is how it should be. So your hands, your hour and minute hand should align exactly at 12 o'clock. In this case, it is correct, but if they are not aligned correctly, what I'm gonna do is press the light or search button, so to basically move my hands in one or the other way. If your hands are not aligned at 12 o'clock or they are way off, you can simply press and hold the light button and it will engage the fast scrolling of your hands. Basically, what I'm doing here is adjusting or fine adjusting my hour and minute hand. And as I adjusted it, now to implement the settings, I'm gonna simply press the adjust button once, and now the watch should align my hour and minute hand to exactly 21 o'clock and 17 minutes. That would be the best indication that my analog and digital time are in the exact synchronization. And with that, I'm gonna end this video and tutorial on how to set the time and date, and on how to set the or adjust the home positions of my hour and minute hands of this watch. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.